Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add hashtags on LinkedIn post. First of all, you can open the LinkedIn profile. I can already open my LinkedIn. After opening the LinkedIn, you can just simply tap on the post at the bottom middle of the screen, and here you will just simply write anything, or you want to add media. I can write my job skills. So after this you can use hashtag according to your post, and after this you can now tap on post at the top right corner of the screen, and this is the way you can add hashtag on LinkedIn. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.